Hello friends, Running Kimono, and we have a little curbside offer to get some L'Oreal lipsticks that I think retail for close to $10 or probably $8.99 or $9.99 for 99 cents, which is a steal of a deal. And L'Oreal is a fancier line. I'm not sure if like Estee Lauder or MAC is the parent company for it is a very high quality lipstick, and I've tried L'Oreal before. So the retail price for this is $10.99 down to $5.49, which is a crazy price. So for this offer, we are looking to do this curbside, meaning you order it through your desktop, cell phone, or laptop, tablet, whatever. Order it from your house and then drive to the store and pick it up, because the prices of these items in store to curbside will probably be a little bit different. You have until Saturday the 25th to put this order in, and if you do this curbside, you will save probably more money. Hop into the deals, guys. If you could do me a really big favor, a huge kindness, and give this video a big thumbs up, it would mean so much to me. Okay, so the first deal that we're looking at, curbside. So you're ordering this from the comforts of your home. We're going to look for 3 of the L'Oreal Paris Color Riche, even sounds French, lipsticks. So they were priced at $10.99, 50% off at $5.49. We're going to load this $5 off. There's also a 5 off of 2. The coupon will do the same job to take $5 off, so load either one. And then we're also going to load this little best friend, which is an IVC coupon, which is $1 off. Now, to get that basket right to $10, we're going to be short with the IVC. So we're going to grab 2 boxes of the Cheez-It crackers, priced on a BOGO free promotion, so they'll actually be 2 for $3. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is $1 off too. Now, if you buy 2 boxes of these crackers in store, the coupon's not going to come off, but curbside, for whatever reason, it magically comes off. Alternatively, you could make a submission to coupons.com if you did this in store and you didn't get your $1 back for the Cheez-Its, just to answer that quick question. Back to the deal, 3 of these lipsticks, buy 2, get 1 for free, because that is a monthly promotion of buy 2, get 1 for free on cosmetics. It ends on Saturday the 25th as well. And then 2 boxes of our Cheez-It, as I predicted, 2 for $3. So this is going to get us, after the IVC coupon, right to that $10 mark where we can get a free curbside pickup. Now, the subtotal was $13.98. Promos and coupons, $3 off, free curbside pickup. We have a little bit of tax for the lipstick, and then $6 in digitals coming off, $5 for the L'Oreal, and $1 for the Cheez-Its. So the new total is $5.50. I would personally use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay 50 cents and call this a very smart deal. Because if you think about it, guys, that's like $33 of lipstick for like, $5 of Walgreens cash and 50 cents. I think that's super smart. And if you're anything like me, you need a car lipstick, you need a lipstick in your purse, you need a lipstick, with your beauty stuff in a bag. Like, you just have them all over the place. Or alternatively, if you have teenage girls, or if you want to gift this to a friend for Easter, it's a thoughtful thing, I think. And you got some Cheez-Its as well, so you got beauty and a snack. I want to look at this deal in a different way, because I know that the Cheez-Its are not for everybody, so we're just going to look at this a different way. Throwing 3 of these L'Oreal lipsticks into a cart, and then let's throw in a Walgreens Epsom salt, the 3-pound bag. Pay attention, you're grabbing the smaller one, for $3.79. Just to show you, this is what we're looking for, the 3-pound bag, and there's just a plain one. So hopefully your store still has them. I think the larger ones are $4.99, the 6-pound bags. We're going to load this friend. Look, it expires on Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it. There's nothing more glorious than Epsom salt if you are not about those crackers. I know that, for dietary reason, a lot of people probably will stay away from the Cheez-Its. Other people love them. Just to give you guys an alternative. So throwing 3 of those lipsticks into a cart along with an Epsom salt, the total is $14.77. $3 coming off in promotions, free curbside pickup, tax, $6.50 coming off, $5 for the lipstick coupon, and then $1.50 for the Epsom salt. You're paying $5.98. I personally would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay 98 cents and call this a really good deal. And you can use Epsom salt for a multitude of things. So I think this is a super smart offer. Make it happen right away, guys. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.